How to make this broken text. Today we are going to learn how to make this cool looking broken text. Let's get started. First, create a new file with a dimension set to 1920 by 1080, which is the same size as a YouTube thumbnail, and set the resolution to 300. Click Create. Fill the background color with a black. Go to Edit and then Fill. Choose a gradient color. Create a new layer and drag diagonally. Change the color to white. Next, you need to bring in a paint texture which you can download from Motion Array or Adobe Stock. Resize the texture and then change the blend mode to screen. Adjust the opacity. Create text and adjust the font size. Bring in a scratch texture and apply a clipping mask on top of the text layer. Always keep your layers organized by grouping them into background and text. Next, duplicate the group text layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Then merge the layer by pressing Ctrl+E. This is a safety measure in case you make a mistake. You can simply delete the layer or create a new one again. Once you are done, you can turn off this eye icon. Select the polygon lasso tool so that we can cut the letters. Once you have selected the area, press Ctrl+Shift+J. This shortcut is useful if you want to cut or copy the selection and create a new layer from it. You can also find it here. Repeat this process with the other letters. Once you are done cutting the letters, make sure to group them. Then bring in a paint splatter which you can download from Adobe Stock. Make a selection of this and turn it into a brush preset. Create a new layer and decorate it. Repeat this step. Again, use a lasso tool to select, then add a gradient to create shadows. After that, use the eraser tool to slowly get rid of any parts sticking out. Adjust opacity if necessary. Once you are done, create a new group layer. This time, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl+J and Ctrl+E. Then select the lasso tool and press Ctrl+L to adjust the brightness. This will make it look like the glass is shattered. I also add additional text at the end. And that's it. We are done. Today's tutorial might seem overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Practicing these steps will be helpful for decorating text in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please support this channel so I can continue creating content like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.